Welcome to On The Beat, everyone. I'm over here with Brea Liddell from Lucent Medi Spa, and we're talking all about their open house that's happening right now this month. How are you, my friend?
Wonderful.
All right, before we get any further, let's tell everyone what the open house is about.
Our open house is to promote some of our services that we offer and bring you into the spa and see our beautiful, relaxing environment.
Okay, so let's remind everyone what it is that you do at Lucent Medi Spa.
We do a wide variety of services. We offer different types of massage, hot stone, craniosacral therapy.
Oh, nice.
Yes, so we can offer a variety with massage, but we also offer a variety with skincare. So we have several different types of facials, pedicures, manicures, and cool sculpting.
Well, people are loving the cool sculpting at your clinic as well.
Yes.
What are the results like that you're getting?
We are getting some amazing results. Very happy people, and it's exciting to help them feel better about themselves.
You should bring a couple of your clients in.
Sure.
And we could do some testimonials with them on next time.
We would have some
and
very
show some
happy
before.
ones.
Oh, I like that. Show some before and afters. People love seeing what is possible. Now, what skincare ranges do you keep?
We have Skin Medica and Dermaware.
Perfect. Now, on the day, are you doing a promotion with them as well?
We are. We'll be offering 20% off of any of our products, also our Young Blood makeup line.
Oh, wow.
And we have Blue Deer candles.
Blue Deer candles.
Yes.
I haven't heard of them before.
They're from West Point, actually.
Oh, no, I think I saw them in there. Don't they have a deer on the top of them? That's right. They look very expensive.
They're very good.
But gorgeous.
Yes.
All right, so let's bring up the full screen of all the promotions that we have going on over there as well. What's happening with the promotions?
We will be having 60-minute hot stone massage, Oxygeneo super facial 3-in-1 treatment, eyebrow arch and peppermint pedicure for $250. 30-minute exfoliating facial makeover, manicure and peppermint pedicure for $150, and a 30-minute facial with an ultrasound add-on, 30-minute massage, and a peppermint pedicure for $100. So these are some great ways of buying gift certificates and gifts for people that they can try a variety of different services.
Best thing. But guess what, everyone? We are also doing the most fabulous promotion on cool sculpting.
Yes.
What's happening there?
We will be doing buy one treatment, one full treatment. You get the second treatment for half off. It's a huge savings.
Now, we just did that a few months ago.
Yes, we did.
And your phone rang off the hook.
It did, and we had a lot of people take advantage of this, and it was a great way for people to be able to experience 2 treatments, which shows the best, sometimes 3 or 4. So we would add on that discount for the 3rd and 4th also.
Oh, you do?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow, Brea, that's amazing. All right, just explain to everyone at home about cool sculpting a little bit. What's the premise behind it?
Cool sculpting eliminates fat cells. So it freezes them and kills them. So then the body breaks it down naturally and it just gets rid of it.
Yes, so now this is not, as we want everyone to know, a weight loss solution.
It is not.
It aids in your weight loss as well. Someone who's had, you know, a couple of babies and just finds those little tough spots hard to get rid of, but they also now have just bought out for the chin as well. Explain to everyone about those elements.
The chin, we can actually guarantee that it will tighten as well. That's FDA cleared that it will tighten, and we have seen some amazing results for underneath the chin. It helps just eliminate any of that double chin.
I hear you. Let's bring up on the screen again now what dates and times we're doing for the open house again.
Yes. December 6th to Friday, all day from 9 in the morning until 7 o'clock at night.
Brea, we appreciate you coming in.
Thank you
so much. Everyone, if you want to take advantage of open house, there it all is up on the screen. The phone number, give them a call, make some appointments. Brea Liddell, she will look after you and all her amazing team over there at Lucent Medi Spa. Back after this short break.